Hi friends, welcome to my silent poetry. Today in this video we can take a look at how to draw a bird with pencil. Here I am going to use charcoal and graphite pencils. And if you want to know about the materials that I used for this drawing is mentioned in the description below guys. Here first I am going to work on creating the dark area of the beak. Using 2B pencil, I am creating a strong line, and with the same pencil I can make a small strokes below the line. Here keep the shading fairly light and also try to keep your pencil strokes close together for a good texture. Layering and blending are very important in pencil drawing. So for the next step, here I am giving darkest shade and also will work it on using blending stem. If you do this work slowly with a lot of patience, I am sure guys you can build it up well. For head, I am using charcoal pencil. Straight away I am giving darkest strokes here. The direction of strokes are very important, so I am trying to pull these lines out in the direction that the feathers grow. Also, I am leaving a lighter value on the top of the head before I am using blending stem. According to me, here value means the darkness or lightness of a color, and it's how we understand the light within the image. Now, with the same dark charcoal pencil, I will start pushing some of the darker values even darker. I think pencil drawing will be more beautiful if the layering and blending of pencil strokes is done very carefully. And I know for beginners it's very difficult, but don't worry guys, for me also it was not easy task at that time. But I'm sure regular practice will help you to get very good result. If you pay close attention, you will know how long it takes me to draw the top of the head and eyes. So try to complete the picture very patiently and peacefully guys. The lower part of the bird, the texture is slightly different. So by using HB pencil, I can give very thin and light application of graphite. Then using blending stem, I am creating an even texture on the surface. If we blend with stem, we'll get nice base application for us to create a beautiful texture and values. After blending, then we can apply strokes over the top of the area of graphite. See guys, we have a more natural looking image now. I have completed the whole picture using the same technique guys, and also I have one more thing to remind you that I used eraser to highlight certain parts of the image. I truly enjoy this drawing, so please stay with me till I complete this drawing guys. Anyway, thank you for watching.